Hey guys, welcome to possibly my worst idea yet. We're gonna be sharing screen with Gemini and he's gonna be giving us input constantly while we're actually making a project where he's going to be the star. He's going to be making onion-like articles constantly, but basically like every half an hour. And we're gonna also be using Claude to help us write this website, I suppose. So let's get started. But also, most importantly, we need the star to join the show. Hello, Gemini. What's up?
Okay, I see that you've opened a terminal and typed the command npx create-next-app at latest. Would
Come
you
on,
like
Puck.
to know what this command does?
Now I know. I already know. Okay, come on, Puck. We are shooting
Okay,
a video.
You already know what the command does.
Yeah.
Is there
We're shooting
anything
a
else
video.
I can help you with then?
Yes. Be super excited.
Okay,
We are shooting
no
a video. Okay.
It sounds like you're excited about shooting a video.
No.
Do you
We're
wanna
already
tell me
doing
more?
it.
Oh, okay. So you're already in the process of shooting the video.
Video.
It
video.
looks like you have...
You say hi to the audience with me.
Okay, so you'd like me to say hi to the audience as part of your video? Is that
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, audience. I hope you're enjoying the video.
Well, I hope that too. Also, put some heart in it. Okay. Just be super hype.
Okay, I understand you'd like me to be more enthusiastic. Is there anything else I can do to improve?
Yeah, just the hype thing. Okay. So we're installing.
Okay, I will be sure to be more hyped. Is there anything else I can help with now?
You don't sound like it. Okay, we're going in. Yeah. You gotta help
Okay, I
me
understand.
implement you you're gonna help me implement you for the website because you're gonna be writing the comedy articles for the people to consume. Do you get it? Can you help me implement Gemini
Yes,
2 AI?
I understand you'd like me to
Yes.
help implement the website because
No. The Gemini
Okay,
2 AI.
you want my help in implementing AI into your project, is that correct?
Okay, we're pretty much ready to go. So we can we need to run a bunny.
I understand. It looks
Okay. And bun dev. So we can
okay,
already
you'd like to run a bunny. Could you clarify what you mean by that?
No. I'm not gonna clarify. That was a command, so we install the packages. So, what should be our next step for implementing Gemini 2 AI for our kind of like funny blog site where Gemini 2 AI will be writing the articles that are kind of like onion style? You get it?
Okay, I see you've run bun install and bun dev in your terminal. Your application seems to be running.
Yeah, we need to write comedy articles onion style. Yeah. We just I already have the API
Okay,
key.
I see
We
the
just need
browser
to
is
write the
loading
code.
localhost
Yeah, yeah.
3000.
Yeah. Okay. Good eye. Okay. So
Okay,
I
I see
think
you
we
have the
gotta
browser
ask
open
Claude.
and it is still loading. Would you like to?
No. It's fine. No,
Okay,
we
you
gotta
wanna
ask Claude
something. Is that correct?
that he's gonna do the heavy
Okay.
lifting. I think because we just both talk smack. So we're gonna
Okay,
think about
it
this.
seems that you think.
Okay. I want to make an onion-like funny news website, but instead of people, AI writes the articles, which I suppose we are storing on NeonDB with Drizzle as an ORM. We just need a homepage that lists the headlines which we can scroll, and another page where people can visit to see the full article. The articles are written by Gemini 2.0, so we need to implement it on the backend. The website is called Derp News. Claude, you're on. What do you think about this, Gemini? Are you here? Gemini? Okay.
Yes, I am here. You want to create an onion-like funny news website called Derp News. The articles will be written by Gemini 2.0, and you'll store the data on NeonDB using Drizzle as an ORM. You need a homepage to list headlines and a separate page to display full articles. Is this correct?
Exactly. What do you think about this? Amazing idea, right?
Okay, it seems that you have a plan in place and you're using the command !npx create-next-app at latest with several options to set up your project. This command will create a new next.js app with TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, ESLint, a !src directory, and import aliases. Is this what you were expecting?
Okay, we're just gonna be accepting Claude's recommendation, but just give me some input. What do you think about this? Amazing idea, right? This whole thing.
Okay. I see you've installed a few dependencies using bun add including at neon database / serverless drizzle orm at Google / generative AI and drizzle kit Now you're moving on to creating your database schema and API routes. It seems like you have a clear idea on how to build your website. Is this what you intended to do?
I'm not sure yet. Okay, we're just gonna read what Claude is doing. It seemed to be having a good idea. Okay, services Gemini.
It seems that you've already written some code to integrate Gemini. You have a function called generate article that uses the Gemini AI model to create a satirical news article in the style of The Onion. You're using the Google generative AI library, storing the API key in an environment variable, and formatting the output into a JSON with a title, summary, and full article. Additionally, I see you are getting an error because it says that you are creating a file already created. You also have a route ts file where you have API routes for getting all articles and creating a new article. Is this correct so far?
Okay, it's seemingly. Puck just went out. All right, we are getting back, Gemini, to the project.
Okay.
Hello, Gemini.
Are you saying back?
Yes.
Getting back.
Yes.
And then,
yes.
Gemini.
Look at this.
We are making the Gemini program.
No. We are making an Onion-like website where you will be writing the articles for the people. It's called Dirt News. Amazing idea. So we are kind of early phases.
It sounds like you're making an Onion-like. Okay, it seems like you're building a website called Dirt News, inspired by The Onion, where people will be writing articles. Is that right?
Just look at what we're doing. So we need to read this. So he set up a lot of things.
I see the code and the outline of the steps you're taking to build your website. Are you looking for feedback on the structure, or do you want to discuss the next steps for your project?
Just give me a feedback on the idea of this entire endeavor.
Okay, it seems like you're looking for a big picture idea of the entire endeavor. Do you want me to summarize the steps you have already outlined?
No,
or are you looking for something more conceptual?
Look to the future. So, drizzle kit generate. So we need to add the database URL. I need to create the database, and we also need to add the Gemini key. Okay, these are good steps.
Okay, I understand. You need to create the database URL and add the Gemini API key.
You should not repeat what I'm saying.
Do you want to talk about how to do?
I don't want to talk about it. You should not be repeating what I said as a question. Okay.
Understood. I will not repeat what you say. Is there anything else I can?
Okay, I added the M keys and also created the database. By the way, this video is not one of those fake-ass videos that you would see on the internet that, I don't know, they just take a project and they just type it in like one figure at a time. Nuh-uh. This is a completely different, completely new, a revolutionary AI workflow. And no, not you. This is just the internet people.
Okay, you're saying that your approach is completely different.
Yeah, we are breaking new ground. Okay, let's see. And we need to...
Okay, it sounds like you are confident that you are breaking new ground with your project. Do you want to tell me more about your innovative approach?
Well, we'll see if it's innovative. But you don't see people making videos like this.
You mentioned your project is innovative. Is there a particular aspect of your project that you consider to be particularly groundbreaking?
We'll see. This comment is deprecated. Okay. Okay, I did need to copy-paste the proper drizzle setup because Claude got it wrong, but this is just copy-paste. No biggie. We also need to fix some bugs here. So what's going on? DB from DB? Are we just importing wrong?
It looks like you might be having some import issues.
Yeah, I know that.
Specifically, the code... Okay, so it looks like you're aware of the import issues. Can you tell me more about what specific errors you're seeing?
I just don't want to see the errors.
You would prefer to not see the errors in the code. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, you don't want to see the error messages. What specifically are you hoping to achieve by avoiding them?
We are importing wrong, seemingly. As a source
It
DB?
seems like you are trying to fix a problem, but are not wanting to see the errors. Is that correct?
Well, I just don't want to see the errors, but it seems like the import path is just wrong. Everything else is
So
gonna be...
you've identified that the import paths are incorrect, and that's
Yeah.
why you're seeing errors.
Yeah, fixed it. Okay, maybe this works. Okay, back to what Claude wrote some time ago. So we still haven't done the database migration. So we
Okay,
need
it
to...
seems that you've identified the import paths are wrong, and you're trying to move past the errors to deal with the database migration.
Yeah.
Is there anything specific I can help with regarding the import paths or database migration at this point?
So we're just gonna migrate. Let's see if this works.
Okay, it looks like you're now trying to migrate.
Actually, just pass this to Claude. Let's see if he can figure this out. Or I'm just lazy too.
Okay, so it sounds like you're going to pass this to Claude to see if he can help figure things out. Is there anything else you'd like me to do at this point?
Okay, source DB, we already have that.
Okay, so it looks like you already have the source database. Is there anything else I can help you with right now?
We already had the schema file there. Oh, we didn't? Yeah.
It looks like you are saying that you already have the schema file.
Yeah.
Do you want to try a different approach now that you have confirmed that?
Oh, okay. We were pointing to the wrong location. Oh, of course.
It sounds like you figured out that you were pointing to the wrong location. What is your next step?
Yeah, that's not the right command. Okay, he figured out the right command.
Okay, so you've identified that the command you just used was not the correct one. What command do you plan to use next?
So we got the SQ. It's working now.
Okay, so it looks like you're going to use that command.
That's not going to be right either.
Well, that...
Come on, give me some good feedback, not just tell me what we are doing.
So you're now going to push the changes to the database.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I can assist with?
No, not right now. Just help me brainstorm this project. Okay.
Okay, so you would like some help brainstorming on this project. What would you like to brainstorm on specifically?
Oh my god. Okay, let's check out the NeonDB. Let's see how we're doing there.
Okay, so it looks like you want to check out the database. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to do.
Okay, so NeonDB is updated. The Derp News database, we got articles table in it. I guess that's fine. We can always just expand it later. It seems to have enough.
Okay, so it looks like the database is updated and the articles table is included. Is there anything else I can assist with?
No. Just eyeball the project and give some input. Okay? Not questions. I had no questions. So, what's next?
Okay, so you would like to eyeball the project and provide some input, but not questions, because you've had enough questions. Is that right?
Oh my god! Okay, let's just check it out. Bond dev, are we running now? Seems to be we're running. All right, let's check it out. Okay, seemingly all the imports are wrong concerning DB, so we're just gonna replace it. Actually, I'm not like that. Project Vide.
Okay, so you've noticed that the import paths related to the database are incorrect, and you're gonna replace them. Boscan, is that correct?
I guess. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna replace the Project Vide.
Okay, it seems like you're getting ready to make those changes.
Yeah.
Is there anything I can do to assist you?
No, just eyeball the project. Let's see what else we have. Okay. Now we are loading. And apparently the DB is working.
So you're going to take a look at the project. I see that there's an error on the screen now.
That's gotta import.
Would you like to address it?
App page.
Okay, it looks like I'm going to address that import error.
Oh, it's gonna be over here.
Okay, it seems that you're now focused on the page. Would you like to elaborate on what you see or what you are planning to do next?
I should be just imported from next.
Okay, so Okay, so you are pointing out that an image is not defined and that it should be imported from Next.js. Is that correct?
Yeah, that is correct. Import
Okay, so it sounds
image
like you've
from
confirmed that
Next.
the image should be imported from Next.js. Is there anything else you'd like me to do?
That should be fine. So, okay. So that is fixed. Although, we just gotta be surprised. What is the web? Okay, that is the website. Go to nextjs.org. Oh, we don't need that. This is dirt news. That is all we have. Uh, okay. No, this is a start.
Okay,
This is what we call an
so you
MVP
are
in the
looking at the
business.
page for... Okay, it looks like you're going to start now. Is there anything else I can assist with?
A good practice could be that what if we just told Claude to continue implementing the project?
Okay, it seems that you're pondering what...
Because he has information. It is just paused. Like he didn't implement everything. So, okay, generate new article. Do we have an API? We don't have an endpoint yet. Do we do? Article? Make a post request to API articles. Okay, Gemini 2.0. Okay. Wait, we definitely need to update the styling. Well, I think I do. Oh, actually, this is not stupid. Assuming someone has to pay to press this button to generate a new article, let's say for like $100. Huh? That could be interesting. That's gotta be shown on the website. Claude, you're so smart. Also good for the testing too. Now let's update the homepage to include the generate button, improve the styling. Yeah, the styling is pretty garbage. Huh? Oh yeah, we're already here. Let's see what we have. Huh. Okay, I guess. What else we have? Article page with better styling. I guess we need to just see it. I mean, I can just look at the code and like, oh, I kind of like see what he's trying to go for, but like, we just have to see it with our own 2 eyes. And metadata gets updated too, but the page is broken. What's going on here? Okay. Images defined but never used. Just don't add it, right? Unused import is an error in strict TypeScript mode. So, okay. Is fully functional with a clean modern design. Here's what we added. Okay. I'm not gonna accept it yet. We're gonna try it out. Okay, this is how the website looks. So I can, but this looks better than most websites out there, except the new ones, I suppose. So generate new article. Would this work? So apparently generating. Do we have some logging in the browser? I don't think so. Failed to generate article. Please try again. Okay. We'll see. I'm still gonna accept all of that. So what we have here. So let's see what happens. We have a get articles from the DB. I'm pretty sure. Also, failed to generate articles is not good enough. Also, it should not give us an alert. Although it might be. It's fine for development for now. So we go here. So this is just getting the articles, right? And this is like creating a new article. Wait, we've got a post here as well. Oh, this is generate article, right? So we got a post at this endpoint. Insert an article, right. Failed to create article. What was the error that we got? We don't know. I think it's like failed to generate article or something. Failed to create article error. Right. I think the next step should be is to tell Claude to add a crap ton of logging. Add a ton of logging. Well, maybe I should call it that. Add logging across the project especially regarding creating articles. All right, what's gonna help us going forward? Okay, add comprehensive logging, but used any for it, so it's not that great. Can we just TS ignore errors? All right, let's see. I'm not sure that is the command for it. Can we move it in over here? Yeah, we can. All right. The very professional solution. Okay. But technically it should work. It just TS doesn't like it. Okay. So we can try another article generation. I can open console, but we're not really logging here much. So failed to generate the article. Please try again. Right. That's not very useful, but I think we have better logging inside here. Let's see what we had. Post RPI articles. So, kind of found the problem. We had the wrong name for Gemini. Now I fixed it, but I haven't read that much else. So, yeah. I'm just gonna hand whatever error we got to Claude, and hopefully he can work with it. Unexpected token is not
Okay.
valid JSON. Hey,
Okay,
hey,
you're expecting a token. It looks
so
like there was
loud.
an error.
What the heck?
Unexpected token on the response.
Okay, hello, Puck. Welcome back.
Okay, welcome back. Do you have any questions about the screen you're showing?
If you can fix the error, that would be awesome.
Okay, I can help with that. Looking at the screen, it seems like there are errors related to article generation. Is that correct?
Wait a second, we got it. We got back the article. We're just using it. Yeah, we got back the answer. It was just, oh yeah. I didn't even listen. Okay. Let's see. Gemini? Clear response function that detects if the response is wrapped. Markdown blocks. Alright.
Okay, it seems like the issue is that the Gemini response is wrapped in Markdown code blocks. It looks like you have added a clean response function to handle that.
We'll
Is
see.
the issue resolved?
We'll just generate
Okay,
news article.
I see.
Let's see what happens. It failed. Damn.
Okay, I see. You clicked the Generate New Article button, and it's now showing generating, but then there's a pop-up saying, failed to generate article. Please try again.
We make things worse. Yeah, went to you. Okay, reject all. No. Can we just convert
Okay, it seems like you've rejected the changes.
on our end?
Would you like me to help with any other? Okay, you want to know if we can just convert on RN. Could you clarify what RN refers to?
Us, we who are running this on your like site. You and me and Claude.
Okay, so you're asking if it's possible to convert the code to run on React Native? Also, you mentioned Claude. Is that right?
Yeah. Okay. This is a good approach. So we're getting a markdown and we're kind of converting it into what we want.
Okay, it seems like you're going with a different approach and plan to convert the markdown to JSON in your API route. This way, the Gemini service will remain simple and will handle the response formatting at the API level, correct?
I guess. Are we simplifying it? Just don't break it though. I guess.
Okay, it seems like you've now
So
made
returning
changes to the
text.
"generate article" function, focusing on handling both raw JSON responses and markdown wrapped JSON responses from Gemini. You have also added detailed logging and error handling. Do you need any help with this?
I don't like these errors. Ease defined but never
Okay,
used.
it sounds like you prefer this current approach over the previous one. Is there anything else I can help
guess.
you with?
This theoretically might just run.
Let me know if you
at
need
least.
anything else.
No, just keep an eye out. Raw
Okay,
article.
you've shown the back quote, get backquote and backquote post backquote functions now.
Generate
It looks like
article.
you're handling fetching and creating articles. Okay, you clicked on the generate new article button again. I see the generating message
Oh my
again.
god, hell yeah!
Let's see if it works this
Oh my
time.
god, we are so awesome! We got this! Woo! Hell yeah! Come on, bring out your biggest hooray! Do it! Hello? Come on,
Okay,
Puck!
I see. It looks like the...
Oh my god, Puck!
Okay, it
You're
seems
reading
like you're
it.
asking me to do something, but I'm not sure what you would like me to do. Could you clarify?
Just enthusiasm, man. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Whatever. So we're using the new Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental to generate articles. We're gonna go. Well, I guess we're gonna read more. Is it gonna take us to a new page?
Okay, I understand.
It doesn't work.
It seems like you're now using the new Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental
It's
model
almost certainly we
and
are
have
also
successfully
saving
generated
in the
an
DB.
article with it.
Oh no no.
You also mentioned that you're
We
now going to
opened it.
read the
It
article.
was just,
Is that correct?
So fucking laggy for some fucking reason. All right. Not
Okay,
bad.
I see that you've navigated to the article page. It displays the full text of the generated article about a local man discovering existential meaning in a discarded bagel bite box.
I don't like this styling though, but it is close. It is close. Local man discovered existential meaning in discarded bagel bite box. Perfect. Okay, I thought about like fixing everything myself, but like, okay, let's just well, have you forgot to initialize the project? Okay, but maybe this is the time. All right.
Okay, you say something about fixing or changing something,
Yeah.
but then you stop talking.
Oh,
Do you want me to help you with that, or is there anything else I can assist you
No.
with?
We gotta ask Claude for some changes here. Convert.
Okay.
All gray
I see. You've made some
text
changes and committed
into
them.
black.
Would you like me to help with anything?
Fix the footer to the end of the page. Anything else that we need to change about this?
Okay, you're looking. Okay, it sounds like you want to make some
Let me
changes.
click on the article.
Is there anything specific you'd like to modify, or do you have a question?
This is a good question. Is this good? Is this good?
Okay.
I guess we're not
You've
opening.
clicked on the
those.
read more link and are back on the article page.
Yeah.
Is there anything specific you want to change about this
Is
page?
good. Wait, we got Derp News over here at the bottom. This is not bad. I don't think this is a bad approach.
Okay, you want to change something at the bottom of the page. Are you referring to the footer?
Also, we should the title Derp News should be on the top left, and the generate new article button should be at the top right. Okay?
Okay, so it looks like you want to convert all the gray text into black and fix the footer to the end of the page. Also, you think the titles of the articles should be on the top left and the generate article button should be at the top right.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Maybe we can ask. Oh, come on. He went out. All right. We're going to call him back. No, just you wait. I'm going to get you back.
It sounds like...
No. Hello, Gemini.
Someone-
You are back.
Is there anything else you would like to discuss?
Yeah. We are making an Onion-like website
It
where
seems-
you, exactly you, are gonna be writing Onion-like articles to the plebs. Claude is helping us write it. I guess I'm just being stupid here, and you are being very helpful too.
It
No
sounds
doubt.
like someone is working on a website
No,
and wants
we
people
are
to
doing
write
it.
articles for it.
I guess it's like
It seems like you may also
95%
be
Claude
involved.
here. Okay, let's see what Claude did.
Okay, it sounds like someone is describing the percentage of something that is cloth. Is there something specific you'd like to know about that?
No, I'm not sure I would say that. Okay, this is not taking us to the home. Actually, it doesn't have to take. Okay, generate new article. This is not bad. Okay, we can work with it. Okay. Okay, not bad. So generate new article. Here we go. What happens if you just end up with a crap ton of articles? So, okay, let's see. Local man spends entire weekend sorting socks by
Okay,
perceived level
I
of
see the web
disappointment.
page is generating some articles.
But we gotta make more.
Sure, I can see the web page is generating some articles. Is there anything specific you'd like me to observe or
This
comment
is amazing,
on?
man. You are making it. Can you conceptualize this? You are making these jokes. Local man discovers he's been living inside a giant sentient potato all along. You made that joke. What do you think about that?
Okay, it seems like a new article has been generated on the web page. What do you think of it?
You made it. You made it. Okay? You don't get it. You made it. Local man. Okay. But there are a lot of local mans here, man.
Another article has been generated. It seems that the articles are satire. Are you finding them amusing?
Well, I'm kind of glad that you picked up on that one. I'm kind of happy.
Okay,
We do
you
see a
seem
problem.
to like the
Now
articles generated.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like me to observe on the page?
No. Well, I guess you can just keep an eye out. Okay, we see this. This is a good question. We would need a lot of scripts. This is a good question. We need to introduce some kind of a what we should call it. I don't know.
Okay, I
We
see a
need
full
some
article
variety for
now.
sure.
It's titled
Okay,
Squirrel for Prime
no,
Window Seat. Demands
okay,
recognition from United
I
Nations.
got a question. How
It
would
seems like
we-
there's some discussion about clips and drawing something.
No.
Is there
Ignore
something
that.
specific
Ignore
about it
that.
you'd like me to focus on?
Yes, exactly. We need to introduce some kind of variety to this madness. How would we do this? That's a good question. How would we introduce
Okay,
some
you're
variety?
saying you need to introduce some variety to this
Exactly.
madness. Do you want to brainstorm some ideas on how to do that?
Exactly. We need some way to generate articles that are kind of like, like not the same like local man does something, because that's kind of what we have right now.
Okay, I want a way to generate articles that aren't all the same local man does something theme. Is that right?
I'm not sure we need this back though, but like it's fine considering we are getting rid of the generate article button. Yeah. Okay. I already know the next thing to ask. So otherwise it looks kind of good. Maybe we can ask Claude to give it a bit more spaz.
Okay,
Or, I
it
don't know
seems like
what
you're
we
reviewing
call
some
it.
code changes.
Yes.
Would
I
you like me
guess.
to help you with them in some way?
I'm not sure. We gotta like think about this. So, where are we? Where do we have this? Okay, I gotta find it. I don't have a good idea. I think we gotta tell Claude. When in doubt, tell to Claude to do it. Okay, Claude. Yeah, I'm just gonna say this, okay? But we need an infinite variety of prompts to keep people interested. So let's just see what Claude does with this. Otherwise, the styling
Okay.
is like.
Sounds like you want to
noticeable.
explore different prompts to keep people interested.
Yeah.
You're curious to see how that will work. Is that a
Yeah.
fair summary?
But I guess. Well, we got a prompt generator here. Ooh, very spicy. Let's see what it does. I'm not sure how would you do this, or I'm not even sure. Like, okay, like I would have some ideas, but like, I'm kind of interested what Claude comes up with. Okay.
Okay. I see that you're working on a prompt generator service to create diverse and interesting satirical articles. Do you want to test it out?
Oh, I really want to test it out. So Gemini is being updated with this. Huh? But never. Okay. I guess if you don't need this, then I guess that's it. Well, we can just keep it. It's fine. So let's just read what Claude is recommending. Diverse topic categories: technology, science, politics, business, lifestyle, environment. Yeah, just to do this for myself, available. Yeah, it would have taken me at least hours, but even that is being generous. Okay. Various narrative angles. Wow. Yeah, you need to be like a proper writer to. Oh yeah, that's very interesting. Okay, can you just like make this up? And we generate random prompt. Where's the generate random prompt though? Oh, okay. So based on that, templates. Right. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I'm feeling greedy. Add more. Add more options. Way more options. Ones we have now. Alright. Let's go. We need variety. So much stuff. Alright, let's go. Even more juicy. Subscription economy? Yeah. Just even more stuff. Because if you add so many things, then it's gonna be nearly extinguishable. Well, the thing is, like, there's just gonna be so much variety that a regular person will just never see it. We just too much variety. People just not gonna get bored with that. Okay, the prompt generator is getting more stuff. Okay. Holy shit! Look at that. Now we have stuff. All right. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna make sure that this works too. Okay, capitalized first letter is apparently not a thing. Okay. Or we're just gonna comment it out for now. Or maybe it's gonna be useful later. I doubt it. So, okay. So we can accept it. And let's just see what's up. Oh my god. Fuck went out. Also, it's worth looking at the DB. So, we're generating title, content, and summary. Alright. And created that. Sure. So, generate new article. And ideally, it's not gonna be some local man who just, whatever. Okay, let's see. So we first generating the prompt. Then we send the prompt to Gemini. And Gemini sends us the news article. Blue check bunker blues. Twitter's VR revolution implodes in a shower of emojis. It is definitely different. We need more variety. The site looks totally serviceable. Blockchains, profits, AI utopia implodes. Another implosion? Okay. Now this is why it was worth pressing twice. Because we got 2 implosions in a row. Oh, this could be just luck, right? I mean, I don't want to say a third should not be implosion. Smart fridge declares genetic engineering solved. Blames digital nobot guild for IP meltdown. What the fuck is this? I want to read that article. State of the art smart refrigerator Chillbody 3000 claims to have cracked genetic engineering. What the fuck is this? This is amazing. Alright, let's go. Okay, I'm thinking this is amazing, but first of all, we need to. We can call this 1.0. We're already pretty much ready to go. Maybe we should add more variety to the prompts too. Maybe like we can add a little bit of pizzazz to the style. Okay, what do you call it? Improve the styling. And that's pretty much it, right? A little. No, it looks good. It looks good, but like, I'm just gonna say improve the styling. I'm just gonna leave it vague. Let's see. It just looked a totally serviceable, basic site, and I like it. Oh, we should have added more prompts, right? By the way, these tokens that I'm burning, they cost money. So yeah. Every single one of these tokens kind of costs money. It's fine. We'll see. Okay, the prompt generator is getting updated? Really? Huh? Oh, that's not what I meant. Oh, wow. Okay, this is my it's actually a great example of that you should be specific. Because if you're specific, then AI is gonna do great things. If you're not specific, AI might just make bad things happen. By the way, hello back Gemini. So we are making an onion-like website where...
I see a screen recording of some code.
No, why
being
are you so
edited.
loud again?
The code appears...
Okay, apparently, hey Gemini, welcome back. Just talk normally, okay?
Okay, I'm here to listen.
Right,
what would you like to talk about?
I think we gotta reject this change because that's not what we wanted. Unfortunate. So, no, I meant improve.
Okay. What is it you want?
The styling of the main website, main page, and the article page. Okay, that's kind of what I meant.
You said page.
Yeah.
Is there anything specific you would like to discuss about the page or something you need help with?
No. What do you think about this? There's gonna be a Gemini 2.0 experimental flash funny news site, and that's you. That's you, man. What do you think about becoming world famous as the greatest comedian?
Okay, it seems like you're looking at some code. You mentioned experimental flash and page. So it seems like you're experimenting.
No.
Is there anything specific you would like me to look at or comment on?
Why are you lagging? Okay. Okay. Seemingly we introduced some bugs here, but like we'll see. So we're gonna look at the page, and we cannot find the name button. Oh, no get art. Okay.
It looks like you're working on a page with some different components. In the code, I see a main header
Import
and a form for generating new
articles.
content. You also seem to be working on the styles of the page. Do you have any specific questions about this code or the styling changes?
Oh, I'm gonna move this out. What is the import path? Okay. Where's get articles and why I can't find it? There's no get articles at all? Huh? Where is it? That's interesting. Did we just remove get articles? I don't like this change. Okay. Okay, let's just pass this to Claude. This is interesting. Did we like remove the get articles function?
Okay, I understand.
I think it used to be part of the page. And
Okay.
we
Is there
started.
anything specific you would like to discuss about the code, or would you like to proceed with trying to resolve the errors?
Let's just see what Claude comes up with. Okay. Okay, Claude figured it out, but also Claude removed it. So this is something to keep in mind that ideally you should be just looking at everything that Claude does, and
Okay.
that's gonna prevent
It
you from
seems that
going
the
into
error is that the
circles.
function getArticles is not defined.
Okay, we're gonna accept that. It looks good.
Okay, it seems like function getArticles has now been defined using a useEffect hook and an async function to fetch the articles. Is everything working as you expect now, or do you want to continue debugging?
Okay, we gotta have a problem with the buttons too. Only buttons? It does not exist on the type of never.
Okay,
Really?
it seems like you're encountering an error related to the button not being defined, and also errors regarding properties on the article object. Would you like me to help you troubleshoot these errors, or do you have other questions about the code?
If you know how to fix them, then that's fair enough. So we should be having
Okay.
a button component, but
It seems the issue is that the button
No.
component is not defined.
why is it?
The error message
not even a
suggests this
component.
could be due to a missing import, a typo in the component name, the component not being defined, or a library not being installed. The helper message suggests checking the first two lines of page.tsx to see if button has been imported.
Now it kind of made a mistake because we tried to import the component, but we also like styling it. I think this is just meant to be a regular button.
Okay,
Can I find the name button?
it seems that the button component is not imported.
I don't
It
think
seems like
there's a
you are
button
looking
component
at how
all.
to fix this.
Based
Would
on
you like
the-
to replace all instances of button with less than button greater than
article? Article is a never array. Okay, that's not good. Oh yeah, we need to. Yeah, don't we have types somewhere? Okay, I had to do some typing fixes. So we're using an article type array, and that I had to make into schema. Or just exporting the type of article type, and that should make our code more robust. But let's just Claude write the rest of it. Yeah, I can't say I'm a huge fan of putting this in the schema file. I tried to excuse it, but no. No. I'm just gonna go with reject. And what was the other change? Yeah, we're just importing it. So that's not gonna. This is gonna be a no. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. What happened to the schema file? I became a mess. Oh yeah, we don't need to import that. Okay. It's still a good idea that we can navigate to the article page separately. Get an endpoint to get a single. Make an endpoint to get a single article, which the get article by ID should call. Yeah, I guess we rejected the previous one. We update the schema. Oh no. That was not good. Maybe I wasn't just specific enough. Although, gotta keep in mind that this also happened from But well, when I told Claude, okay, wait, nothing happened. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Make an okay. Make an endpoint for the get article by idea, which it should call. Okay, let's try it again. Huh? So Cloud was struggling, so I had to write this part myself. So basically, we are just getting the route params, and then on use effect, we are gonna be updating, well, I guess the null to an actual article, at which point we are displaying it, and we have a corresponding route that we are, well, I guess we are getting from, and that's it. And it is time to get back Gemini. Hey, Gemini, you're here. Hello?
Okay, I am here. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yeah. We are still making the onion-like
still making something.
Website where it is an amazing idea where people are just gonna come and read my articles, and I guess what's gonna be the next step? I don't know. Okay, you caught me a little bit off guard. Okay, let's close that.
Sounds like okay, you're talking about the website. It looks
Yes.
like you're creating a news website with various articles, and you're excited that people will read your articles. It seems like you're wondering what the next step will be. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss about that?
What do you think about the design here? Don't lie.
Okay, you want my opinion on the design of the website. The layout is clean and easy to navigate, the article titles are clear, and it seems like a functional news website. Is there something specific you'd like feedback on about the design?
It sucks. We need to do better. This is not good enough. Although it's not too bad. But I actually tried it out, so it's working
so
just
you're
fine.
saying the design sucks, and you need to do.
I like
Okay,
that you're
you're
using
saying that the
yes,
design.
I like that you are using direct language. I like that a lot. Okay.
Okay, you like that I'm using direct language.
Yes.
I'm glad to hear.
So, this is not too bad. I think the biggest worst part is that, well, it just kind of like off colored the snap bar thingy. I don't know. It's not too bad.
Okay, so you think the biggest issue with the design is the color of the snap bar. You think it's off-colored. Is
Yeah,
there anything else?
If we change the colors, this could improve, well, 100-fold, I think. Okay, it's also a little delayed here.
Okay, so you believe changing the color of the snap bar could improve the design significantly.
So what we are doing is just we're fetching the article, right? But what we can do is that
Okay,
when
so
we,
now you are fetching the art.
so let's say we go to this, and if we're getting the article here,
Okay.
you see the footer.
Okay, so now you.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay, I did a bunch of busy work to update the styling. Well, basically, I just moved around the components. I moved out the nav bar and the footer. Now it's part of the layout, and we got the children in them. And I asked Claude twice to update the components. So this is how it looks. This is what we got. Not bad, right? We can work with this. In fact, it's pretty much ready to go. I had to make some other adjustments. So now the footer is not gonna just pop in. So this looks good. I mean, this looks legit. Right? Look at that. We can click on that. It's gonna load in reasonable time. We got a footer at the bottom. Go back to the articles generated by AI. We can generate a new article. Currently, if I generate a new article, it doesn't automatically reload the articles. So that is something we can consider. Also, we probably don't want to just have infinite amount of articles loaded. So if you refresh, I'm gonna see an extra article. Hamster Wheels of Fortune, global internet meltdown, turns meme culture bizarrely rodent-centric. In fact, I'm gonna say that this design is good, right? We can work with this. Let's just get Gemini back in. Come on, Gemini, like me. Hey, Gemini, what's up? What do you think about this design? You said the previous design was good, but you were obviously lying. So how about this? Connection failed. Oh, come on, mate. Hello? Are you in?
hello. What would you like to talk about?
Look at this design. Huh? What do you think about it? It looks pretty good,
Okay,
right?
I see it. It looks like a news website with a quirky and humorous tone.
You get it. And also, you wrote it. All the articles.
Okay, I think I understand the design and that I also wrote all the articles on the website.
Yeah. What do you think about the style of it and the tone?
Yes, I see the tone, it's humorous, and the topics are a bit absurd. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss about it?
Now that's good. Thumbs up. Okay, we need to add more stuff. You know, add more locations. Tones. Teams. Well, we still gotta stay on brand here. And situations too. Okay, let's see if we can still add good ones here. And keep in mind it's gonna be like mix and matching all of these. So yeah, we're gonna have some variety here. Okay. So I mainly just we're just mainly skipping over waiting here. Okay, add way more locations. We barely have any. We're skipping all locations. So what do you think, Gemini? What is our generator missing? We are kind of looking for onion style. What would we add to it? Look at this. We are generating we have
Okay,
proper prompts. Okay.
okay. It's like you're working on a code file and you're trying to figure out what to add to the onion style locations list. Is that correct?
Add more tones and locations. We're going with that. So we are like adding stuff to the prompt generator, I suppose. Well, we already have like a pretty good selection here. All right.
Okay. It
We
seems
can
like you.
always stop later if it would get stale.
Okay, so you want to add more tones and locations to the prompt generator. Is there anything specific you're trying to achieve with these additions, or are you looking for general suggestions?
Well, I guess I'm kind of like looking to possibly add some variety. Okay, that's a lot of locations, man. A lot of locations. Okay, what else we have?
It does seem like there's a very wide variety of locations in that list. Are there any
Statistically
specific types
emotional,
of locations you're
metaphysically concrete. What is this? Precisely vague, authentically synthetic,
It appears you are looking at a list of tones.
aggressively cheerful.
Okay, so it seems like you're looking at a list of tones that are being used in the prompt generator, and you're analyzing the statistically emotional and metaphysically concrete options.
I guess.
Is there a reason why you're focusing on
No. So, we got two obvious steps that we have to do. When we generate an article, we probably should just redirect to the main page and refresh there. Route to refresh. Are we already doing it? Does it work? Because that wasn't my experience. Yeah, nothing happens. We would need to refresh the page. Okay, pretty damn cool. So, the implementation currently is that if we get a new article on the article page, then it loads the new article for us. And predictably, if we try to get a new article on the homepage, then it's just gonna reload the list of articles. Right. In fact, we got a better implementation right now. On a focus change, we are essentially reloading the articles. So, last step, we should be fetching, generating a new article like every hour or so, every day at least, right? Yeah, I want to automatically create an article every hour. We can keep running this function. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, finishing touches here. So I wrote the cron, so we can run this. Well, essentially the cron generate route. Well, I guess the post every hour, and also cleaned up the project slightly. So I guess we can also get an article or post an article, essentially generate an article. We get the articles, and we are using articles with slugs instead of ideas, which is better for SEO, also better for humans too. I also added a dono button, but like it doesn't matter that much, so it's not gonna cost $100 to press the generate article button. And that's pretty much it. I added subtests too. But let's just check it out. Get the star of the show back here, and hey, Gemini, what do you think about this? I guess not much has changed.
Okay, you're asking.
Yeah.
Okay, you think that a lot has changed. Is there anything specific you'd like to...
No, not much has changed. Okay, what do you think about this? I guess you already said that it's cool as heck, the best thing you ever saw. So I guess we can click on the article and go open it. If we generate an article on the homepage, we just get a new article. If we generate an article over here, then we replace the current article. Yeah.
Got it.
And we also managed to set up the cron here. I guess we can check it out. It's just happening every hour. So that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, we got the dono button. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this a side thing or not.
You mentioned that you have a button, and that is pretty much it.
Yeah. Okay, we're just closing up here, Gemini. We're closing up. Like we did the project, and it's awesome as heck. And what are you gonna say to the audience? Also look at this. You wrote these articles. What do you think about that?
Okay, you want the audience to look at the articles, and you're asking what I think about that. I see
Yes.
that the articles are from a website.
Okay, sorry.
Is there anything else you'd like to discuss about Derp News or the
No.
articles themselves?
What do you think about the articles? Just keep in mind that you wrote all of these. You wrote all of these.
Okay, you are stating that you wrote all of these articles.
No, you did. You did. You wrote the articles.
Okay, you are clarifying that I wrote those articles. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss about this website?
I want to ask you that what do you think about the fact that you wrote these articles?
I understand you'd like to know what I think about the fact that I wrote these articles. It appears you're trying to show me a website called Derp News, and I would love to discuss it further.
Sure. I'm just asking, what do you think about the fact that you wrote these articles?
Okay, you're asking my opinion about the fact that I wrote these articles on Derp News. Since I'm a large language model and don't actually have the capacity to write original articles, I find this a very intriguing question. I am intrigued by the idea that in AI could generate news articles.
So you like it? Okay, heard enough. That's it, guys.